Polemonium reptans, commonly known as abscess root, creeping or spreading Jacobsladder, false Jacobsladder, American Greek Valerian, bluebells, stairway to heaven, sweatroot, skunk weed, Onechte, Jacobsladder and Polemonie. Fausse is a flowering plant in the Polemoniaceae, phlox family, and genus Polemonium, native to eastern North America. Abscess root is also called false Jacobsladder, because it has astringent activity similar to Jacobsladder. These two plants are used in similar ways, but differ chemically. It also gets its common name from the pairs of opposite leaflets on the compound leaves which resemble a series of steps on a ladder. Genus name comes from the Greek name Polemonian, originally applied to a medicinal plant associated with Polemon of Cappadocia. Abscess root is a perennial herbaceous plant that grows about 1 to 3 feet high with a spread of 1 1/2 to 2 feet wide. The herb is found growing in deciduous woodlands, lower wooded slopes, bases of bluffs, shaded banks of streams and rivers, bottoms of sandstone canyons, and areas along woodland paths. Normally it prefers moist, humusy, well-drained and sandy soil. It has creeping roots, by which it multiplies very quickly. The root is rarely used in modern herbalism. It is harvested in the autumn and dried for later use. The dried roots have a slightly bitter and acrid taste and are used medicinally. Stems are 9 to 10 inches high and are much branched. The glabrous stems are heavily branched and bear alternate or opposite, pinnatifid leaves with 6 or 7 pairs of leaflets. The leaves are alternate, compound and are odd pinnate, consisting of about 5 to 15 leaflets, and they are up to 20 centimeters long. The leaves have white hairs at the base of the petioles of the compound leaves. Each leaflet ranges from oval-shaped to ovate-shaped. Flowers are produced in panicles on weak stems from mid to late spring. The flowers are bell-shaped and are about 1.3 centimeters, 1/2 in, long. Each flower has 5 rounded petals with 5 stamens and white anthers. The flowers can be blue, lavender, pink, purple or white petals that are fused at the base, enclosed by a tubular calyx with 5 pointed lobes. The pollen is white. The stigma extends beyond the anthers, making self-pollination difficult, so insects must cross-pollinate for the plants to produce seed. Pollinated flowers develop into an oval pod with 3 chambers, 6 mm, 1/2 in, long, which is enclosed by the green calyx. The seeds are inside oval pods and the flower is spread by resting itself. The flowers are edible and taste good in salad. The root is rarely used in modern herbalism. It is harvested in the autumn and dried for later use. The slender rootstock, when dried and used as the drug, is 1 to 2 inches long and 1/8 inch in diameter, with the bases of numerous stems on the upper surface, and tufts of pale, slender, smooth, wiry, brittle roots on the underside. The rootstock has a slightly bitter and acrid taste. Please share, like and subscribe.